What is the story behind Mick Jagger's recent viral dance video from Punjab? This unexpected moment shows a rock legend embracing vibrant Punjabi culture in a way you never imagined. The viral video shows Mick Jagger, the iconic Rolling Stones frontman, dancing with local Punjabi performers during a cultural event. This rare footage captures him enthusiastically participating in traditional Bhangra moves, which surprised fans and social media users alike. The video spread rapidly because it highlights a famous Western rock star embracing a lively South Asian tradition with genuine joy and respect. Jagger's visit to Punjab was part of a broader effort to experience and collaborate with Indian musicians. Punjab's rich musical heritage, especially its folk and Bhangra rhythms, has influenced many global artists. Jagger's dance was spontaneous, but symbolized his appreciation for this culture. The visit also hinted at potential cross-cultural musical projects blending rock with Punjabi beats. Social media exploded with positive reactions from fans across the globe. Many admired Mick Jagger's willingness to step outside his comfort zone and celebrate another culture's traditions. The joyful energy he displayed made the video feel authentic, not staged. This moment connected diverse audiences, bridging generations and geographies through music and dance. Mick Jagger's viral dance in Punjab is more than just a fun clip. It's a powerful reminder that music and dance can break barriers and unite cultures. Moments like these inspire us to embrace new experiences with open hearts. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had, and keep exploring the surprising stories behind viral moments.